Welcome to another episode of Bake It with Mel. Let's make the Funfetti cookie cake. Get all of your ingredients from your baking kit and a few fresh pantry ingredients, and let's get baking. Begin by creaming together bag number 1, your sugar, and your butter. Now add in 1 egg and 1 yolk. Now add in bag number 2, all of your dry ingredients. Add in 1/3 of your sprinkles for a little funfetti. We'll need the rest for the outside of the cake and the inside surprise. Into 10 even-sized cookie balls and bake at 350 until golden brown. Looking good. Let those cookies cool all the way down and let's make frosting. Grab your soft butter, bag number 3 and bag number 4, and let's make frosting. Use the bottom of your piping tip to cut out the center of each cookie. We are now assembly ready. We got our frosting, our sprinkles, and our cookies. Let's go. Pipe a little buttercream on your cake board to place the first cookie. Pipe a small amount of frosting in between each cookie and stack them all the way up. The center of your cookie tower with sprinkles, and make sure to save just a little for the outside and the top of your cake. Seal the top of your cookie cake with one of the center pieces you used to remove earlier. Using your spatula, spread frosting all across the cake to cover it up. Use some of the frosting to also pipe little rosettes on the top of your cake for that final beautiful effect. Refrigerate your cake for about 1 hour before slicing it open for that perfect explosion effect. Grab your phones because it's time for the money shot. Take as many pictures and enjoy your cake. You deserve it. This cake is gorgeous. I really hope you enjoyed baking this funfetti cake with me. It's one of my absolute favorites. Stay tuned for new kits coming soon, and make sure to check us out on Instagram for live baking help anytime. See you soon.